The next one we're going to look at is the Jeep Scrambler 392 concept. Now we'll listen to Mark Allen and he'll explain.
Next up, really cool project. This we're calling the Scrambler 392. It's based off of a 392 Wrangler. Of course, those are all 4-door. We turned this into a 2-door. Left the wheelbase the same, 40-inch tires. Light weighted the vehicle by taking off a lot of the pieces we didn't need. Carbon fiber hood, fenders, the whole quarter panel. This also features AccuAir's new air suspension. I'll demonstrate. Has about 5 inches of travel or movement to it up and down. And then the back of the vehicle, which is sort of a truck style. In fact, we used the last 10 inches of a Gladiator pickup to create the back, including the tailgate. 392 Scrambler.
Yeah, so that's just like the last vehicle, except that it was based on a 4-door Wrangler, and he said he kept the wheelbase the same. So
now this one I can actually see being an Overland vehicle, possibly, with additional things added to it.
Yeah, wheelbase is a little longer. It doesn't give you a ton of room in the back there for much. I would like to see this truck with a full back on it, a full Jeep back, even like a Gladiator back.
That's how I'm picturing it. Yep.
Yeah, where you could put a rooftop or a pop-up or something that you could accommodate camping in.
That's what I'm thinking.
That would be really cool.
I know we're supposed to talk all macho about these Jeeps, but that was a pretty Jeep. It was. I loved that lime. I loved the details on it. That was I like
so far both of them.
Yes.
I mean, the blue one and the green. You could see if you look at them side by side together that the green Scrambler is longer than the other one, but this one, the Scrambler reminds me a little bit of something that you're going to race the Baja with. I
agree with that. I definitely agree with that. It almost looks like a dune buggy kind of.
Yeah, but I was going to say, what's the Ford? It seems to be a little bit like the maybe it's the wide fenders in the back, reminding me of the I'm drawing a blank here. What's the Ford pickup truck? But the Baja
Ranger.
Oh,
F-150.
Put it on the screen when we think of it later.
Okay.
I don't know. No, it's they're the special truck. The God, I should know.
The Lightning, the electric one, the Lightning.
No. It's just they've had it for years. It's just a model. Yeah, it's a model of the F-150, but it's the one with the wide fenders and
the Raptor.
The Raptor. That's right.
Okay.
Yep. This reminds me of that a little bit.
I can see what you're saying. So let's go on to the next one. You ready for that?